Hey there everyone, Ankit is back with another video, and this video is might not the part of the wallpapers app, but if you want to upload your app Android application from Android Studio to GitHub, this is a simple task I'm going to tell you today. So make sure you have account to GitHub like I have this GitHub account. If you don't have, just create account. It's somewhere hiding there, and let me show you how you can create a repository of this your application and how you can commit the changes directly via Android Studio. So let's start. So first we have to go to this VCS version control system, and we have to enable this enable version control integration and select the version control is associated with the project root. We have to choose here the git, and the git repository is now done here. And now what we have to do is we have to set our project to GitHub. Let me tell you how we can do this is, okay, this is import into version control. Just click on this set project on GitHub, and I think something, yep, that first it's not asking me for the password because I already give it the password. So what you have to do is, what it can ask you. So what you have to do, go to settings, go to here version control, go to git, and then, sorry, not git, this is GitHub. And then what you have to do is put up your login username here, and then a password here, auth type token to password, and just test, then apply, then okay, that's all that matters. So what's BSS, let's import our project to GitHub, access git to GitHub, and just click on share. If you want to make your app private, so you have to buy the private package. Go to share, edit simple description, simple app, share. It won't take long, and choose which files you want to push at the gate. If you want all, just directly click on OK, and it will upload or push to GitHub master repository. Okay, it won't take long. Yep, this is it. If you click on here, it will redirect you to the browser. I already open here, but if I reload this page, I will get a repository here, name of sample app. So this sample app is just 24 seconds ago made. You have to create a readme if you want. So now, as you can see, everything is here, everything. And now how you can update your app, update your repository. So let me tell you how you can update your repository. Go to main Java. I'm creating a random Java class here, a class. Okay, this is the class. And if it asks you to do this, just remember, don't ask again or no, yes, but you can choose yes, so it will automatically transfer it to the git. Okay, now we have to push this, so you just have to click at this green icon VSC, or you can directly do from here update commit changes. Okay, just have to click on this, and you'll see something like this, and you have to provide a commit message. Just say another commit or whatever you like, you can choose, and commit and push. That's it, commit and push, hopefully. Okay, just commit and push, that's it. It will pushing this to the GitHub master repository, so that is pushing. And here you can see my app is updated. So let me just give you the example. Here you can see a class is here, but if I change the repository from here, so let me tell you what you can do. Let me just give it class. Let's create a private string str equals to sample. Okay, the semicolon here, and commit changes, just give a update a class If you commit the changes from here, you will not directly get the update here. As you can see, it is still empty. So to get this, you have to click here, update project, and just go click OK, and you will see the class will be changed. Here you can see all the comments here, and your class is changed. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.